So, the monetary wealth has served us and it will continue to serve our generations to beyond. So that's why it's important to legacy plan. Also, what will also serve us is, our other things that we want to pass down, our traditions, our goals, and all the other things that we want to pass down that will also help our habits, the way we think. Smart money habits is one of the number one things I believe in passing down. And let me tell you, when my dad passed some stuff down to me, most of what he passed down to me are bad money habits. So I learned from that. And I've developed some of the things that he's taught me. I've developed into smart money habits. He taught me about real estate. Whether he handled the real estate or how to handle the real estate was a different story, but he taught me about investing in real estate. One of the main things he taught me is investing in memories. So if there's nothing that my dad has left with us, is in investing in memories. And we still have so many memories for the 44 years that he lived to bring forth that we still talk about today, 23 years after he passed away. We're still talking, 24 years actually, he passed away. We're still talking about, his legacy building through the memories that we have with him and the traditions that we have with him. So, having a healthy family culture is also really important to and values to your values and your goals, and it helps you to understand your overall picture. Why are you building monetary wealth?
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.